Diabetes is a chronic disorder that affects the way the body metabolizes sugar. Diabetics are at higher risk of developing heart disease, blindness, and nerve damage. Therefore, it is essential to make sure they are eating the right foods to keep their blood sugar in check. A healthy diet for diabetics should consist of good carbs, fats, and healthy proteins, but in small portions. Diabetics also need to make sure not to overeat since it can raise their blood sugar levels. The following are some of the healthy food options that diabetics should eat daily. 1. Olive oil. There is a big misconception that if you have type 2 diabetes, you cannot have any fats in your diet. This is false because unsaturated fats are essential for a person with type 2 diabetes. Trans and saturated fats are the ones to stay away from because they can promote weight gain and increase heart disease risks. Extra virgin olive oil is known for being one of the good fats, but it also contains other healthy nutrients important to the body. It is rich in unsaturated fats, which studies have shown can help lower bad LDL cholesterol levels. 2. Nuts and seeds. Frequent nut and seed consumption can reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This is because they are high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, which can help control blood sugar levels. Nuts and seeds, when eaten in moderation, can protect people with diabetes from developing serious complications. However, it is important to note that people with diabetes should limit the portion size because they are high in calories. 3. Eggs. Eggs and other protein-rich foods can be an important part of a diet for people with diabetes. They can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent severe spikes in the short term. Eggs are also rich in vitamins and minerals, including antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which can help prevent diseases related to the eye. The calories in an egg will vary depending on the size and how it is prepared. An average large egg only contains 80 calories. 4. Peanut butter. To help control blood sugar levels, experts recommend adding some healthy carbohydrates to your diet. Some people find that peanut butter is an excellent substitute for refined carbohydrates like white bread and sugar. These people find that the energy from the peanut butter lasts longer than the quick burst of energy from refined carbs. However, it would help to watch how much peanut butter you eat and your salt intake, because too much salt can cause high blood pressure and other health problems. 5. Green vegetables. People with diabetes should increase their intake of green vegetables like spinach, cabbage, or kale to reduce their risk of developing complications associated with diabetes. Furthermore, studies have shown that people who eat green vegetables regularly are less likely to get type 2 diabetes or develop complications from it. 6. Cinnamon. Cinnamon can be used in various dishes for flavor, but it also has some health benefits. Some research has found that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels in people who have type 2 diabetes. If you're interested in taking cinnamon supplements or adding it to your food, be sure to use Ceylon cinnamon instead of cassia cinnamon. Ceylon has more health benefits and fewer unpleasant side effects. 7. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate has many health benefits that can help people with diabetes. Dark chocolate is high in antioxidants, which can help to reduce free radicals in the body and combat inflammation. This means it may help to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and protect against stroke or heart attack. It also has a higher cocoa content than milk chocolate, which studies have shown to improve blood sugar control for people with type 2 diabetes after eating. 8. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils have a low glycemic index, meaning they release their sugars into the bloodstream slower than most other foods. They also have a high fiber content with both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can help lower blood sugar levels by slowing down digestion, reducing the absorption of sugar from the gut, and increasing feelings of fullness. 9. Brown rice. Brown rice is a whole grain that provides fiber and some vitamins and minerals. White rice is a refined grain that has fiber and many minerals removed, making it softer. Brown rice is healthier in many ways, but people should still keep their carbohydrate intake in moderation to avoid weight gain. 10. Avocado. Avocado contains monounsaturated fatty acids, which are good for managing blood sugar levels and insulin resistance. It's also full of fiber and antioxidants that help keep your body healthy and fit. A research study shows that people who eat half an avocado with lunch or dinner for 12 weeks can lose more weight than those who don't add avocados to their meal plan. That's a roundup of some foods for diabetics to eat daily to maintain a healthy lifestyle and take care of their diabetes. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more content on this topic.